What is up, you guys? It's your girl Kayla Marie. So today I am coming to you guys with a ring light that I bought from Walmart. So I paid a total of $29. It was $29.99, so about $30 or some change for this ring light. So this ring light is 8 inches. It has a Selfie ring light studio with 51 inches extendable tripod and phone holder, and it is by the brand Bower Smart Photography Series. Okay, so some of the features that this ring light comes with is it enhances your social media posts. It comes with an extendable tripod, a wireless remote included, ultra wide range, and 72 LEDs. So it's great for vlogging, live video chat, social media, live streaming, health, and beauty. So let's see what the box looks like. The box looks like this. Right over here is the Bluetooth wireless remote, and then it has 3 light colors, 9 levels of brightness. So I'm super excited to see what this ring light looks like. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So see if I can get it to focus. Okay, so what's in the box? So it comes with an 8-inch ring light, a phone holder, a smartphone clip adapter, wireless remote shutter, a pivot, I don't know how to pronounce that, mount, and an extendable tripod. It's just right over here, just talking about some of the features that it has. I think it's some of the things that I read to you guys. So some of the features are: it makes video at night or takes great selfies in dark areas. It has a 72 LEDs for a long-lasting brightness. You can choose from 3 different colors and 9 level brightness. It's easy to control on cord to power on and off switch to the lighting mode you prefer. This ring light makes every photo and video look more professional. It's also compatible with most smartphones, as long as your phone width is between 2 to 3 inches. It says it's secure and protected while in use. You have an adjustable tripod stand, and it's a USB power, no battery needed. Works with most devices that support UBS port, like laptop, power banks, UBS charger, and etc. And then it has the wireless shutter, which allows you to control your phone and snap hand-free photos. It is Android and iOS compatible. Yep, these are all the features that it has. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I'm trying to do this with one hand. Okay, I'm gonna just come back to you guys when I'm done pulling everything out the box. Okay, you guys, so this is everything that comes in the box. So it comes with the tripod, this box over here, and then it's a box over here. Right over here is, I'm assuming it's the my camera will focus. It's the instructions right here. So these are the instructions. This must be the ring light. I'm not too sure what this is. So let's go ahead and see what's in the boxes. Okay, so let's see what's in here. So this is of course the phone holder. Okay, so these are a bunch of different little pieces in here. So it's this piece. This is the small little wireless remote piece. This is the little part that goes to the phone. Not the phone, the tripod, I think. So here is all of these. Okay, so I'm assuming, like I said, in here must be this is pretty small. It's a pretty small ring light. Okay, so it's the ring light. Okay, guys, so this is what the ring light looks like. It's pretty small, but sometimes you can't, what's the word, underestimate small things. So this is what this looks like. These are all the little pieces that it comes with in the box. This is what the ring light, the cord to the ring light looks like. So it comes with the off button. I don't know what these other buttons are, but these are the buttons that come on the ring light, and then it's also the little UBS part. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take everything out the packet. Here's that. And then here's this. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to attempt to put the whole thing together. Oh, yeah, I forgot one of these. Okay, so I am going to attempt to put all of this together, and I'll be back with you guys when I'm done putting it all together. Okay, you guys, so I am trying to figure out how to put this ring light together. And there's the instructions, but like I feel like it's not really telling you how it is, but it's not. Okay, let's see. It says to put this on here. So I attached these two pieces on here. Okay, so we got these pieces on here. So this goes like this. And then it tells me to put this piece. Y'all, I do not know how to put stuff together, so I pray that I'm doing this correctly. So here's this. Okay, so we got this so far. So now we have this okay, I think I know where this goes. So this little thingamajigger that was inside of here comes out. That was so simple. So I'm assuming you just do like this. Y'all, I'm not even looking at the instructions. I'm just kind of just going as I go. So I'm assuming this. Okay, you guys, so this little piece comes like this. Like this. Hopefully you guys can see it. So you pull it out. You can put it on whichever one you want to put it to. So we're going to put it on this one. And then you just, what would they do there? You can't even snap it right there. Okay. So we're just going to snap it on. If I can get it. Okay. Open. We just gonna snap it on right here. Ooh, shit, I just pinched my finger, so I just snapped it on right there. So this is for, don't know what this is for. I think this is for the phone. Okay, so we got that part. So now we gotta figure out. Wait a minute. Okay, maybe this doesn't go, maybe this, okay, wait. So then what goes right here? Because I know that there's a, I think there's a, let me look at the picture. On the picture looks like this. So I think I got everything together. I'm just trying to figure out where does this phone holder thing go to? Because when you look at the picture, there's no phone holder other than this one on there. So I wonder where does this piece go to? I'm not really too sure where that piece goes to. But whenever I figure out where it is, maybe this is if your phone is bigger. Let's see. Because I'm thinking like if your phone may be a little bit bigger. No? So I thought that's what it was. But I thought like maybe if your phone was just a little bit bigger, you could take this off. because, okay, so this slides open. I don't honestly know where this other little piece goes, but okay. So you guys, it looks just like this. So this is what the ring light is currently looking like right now. Okay, sorry for all the marks on there. It's from my hands being greasy, but I had to put something on my hands because my hands was like really. But this is what it's looking like. Okay, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the difference. I'm going to go ahead and turn off my softbox lights, and I'm going to show you guys what the ring light looks like. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the ring light looks like. So it has 3 different lights, and I'm going to show you all the different settings that the ring light has. So right now I currently have on one of my living room lights. I'm going to go ahead and turn it out so you guys can get the full effect of the ring light. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and turn it on. And remember that this ring light, you need a UBS, the UBS part, something to hook it in. I don't know what it's called. But I'm just using like a regular phone charger. I hope you guys can see this because there's no lighting. Turn my light on. Okay, so I'm using this. This just hooks up to my phone. You can use a computer, just anything that you can hook this piece up to. So, just a FYI. Okay, you guys, so now let's see the different lightings on the ring light. Okay, so this one is like a brownish color, so it's like a golden brownish color. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it down so you guys can see all the different settings when it's turning down. Okay, so this is the light getting dimmer. Okay, so this is when it's completely turned down to its lowest setting. Let's go to this one. So this is like the bluish color, the natural kind of lighting. So I'm going to turn it up so you guys can see how bright this gets. You guys see how bright this gets? This light gets extra bright, like it's really bright. So this is what it looks like when it's turned up to the highest setting. I can't talk, sorry. Okay, let's do the next one. And then this is more of a yellowish tone. It's not as deep as the other one was, because the other one was like a real, kind of like a brownish orange effect. So we're gonna see what this one look like when it's turned completely down. Okay, you guys, so that is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it onto this one. Okay, you guys, so let me know what you think about the lighting. Do you think the lighting was pretty good? Do you see a difference from when I turned on my living room light and turned on the ring light? Do you notice a big difference? Like I said, I got this ring light from my local Walmart. It was only $30, which isn't bad. It was $30 for this ring light. You can go on Amazon, and I know Amazon may have different ring lights on there. I'm not too sure because I didn't look on Amazon. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this product review and this unboxing video of me showing you guys the ring light that I bought from my local Walmart. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!